In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Google Sheets spreadsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, find Google Sheets, and open either an existing file or a brand new blank sheet using the simplest path from the Google homepage. Start by heading to google.com in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, click the Sign In button at the top right and log into your Google account. You might be asked to confirm your identity depending on your settings. Once you're signed in, you'll see your profile icon in the top corner, which means you're ready to access your Google Apps. Next, look for the Google Apps icon at the top right of the page. It looks like a small grid of 9 dots. Click that to open the app launcher. This is the hub that gives you quick access to all the core Google services in one place. If you don't see what you need immediately, you can scroll the panel. The list can be longer than the initial view. In the app launcher, click Sheets. The Sheets icon is usually green with a small grid on it. Clicking this brings you to the Google Sheets home screen, which shows your most recent files and any spreadsheets that have been shared with you. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal. Just give it a second. From here, you have two simple options. If you want to open something you've worked on before, look under the Recent section and click the file you need. You can recognize the right spreadsheet by its title, the preview thumbnail, or the last modified date. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you're in the correct one by checking the profile icon in the top right. Switching accounts will change which files you see. If you'd rather start fresh, choose the blank option near the top of the page. It has a plus sign and opens a new, untitled spreadsheet right away. This is perfect when you're starting a new list, tracker, or budget and want a clean slate. You can rename the file in the top left as soon as it opens, so it's easy to find later. That's all there is to it. Sign in at google.com. Open the app launcher, click Sheets, then either select an existing spreadsheet or create a blank one. Keep this flow in mind and you'll always be just a few clicks away from your data. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.